machinery engineering is becoming more complex than ever. Larger assemblies, shorter delivery cycles, more design revisions across teams. Yet disconnected tools continue slowing engineering workflows down. Design, simulation, manufacturing, collaboration. Too often, they still happen in separate systems. ZW3D WuKong changes that. By connecting design, simulation, manufacturing, and collaboration in one integrated workflow, ZW3D WuKong helps machinery engineering teams design faster, collaborate easier, and control engineering costs smarter. Rapidly create machinery components and complex structures with flexible and efficient modeling workflows. For industry-specific workflows such as sheet metal design, integrated workflows connect modeling, flattening, drawings, and DXF output for faster production preparation. Even with massive assemblies, ZW3D WuKong delivers fast opening, responsive interaction, and smooth editing performance. Associative updates automatically synchronize assembly changes and reduce manual adjustments. Intelligent assembly tools help engineers complete complex layouts faster and with fewer errors. Automatically generate drawing views, dimensions, annotations, and BOMs directly from 3D models. When 3D models change, associated 2D drawings update automatically, reducing repetitive revisions and saving drafting time. For many manufacturers, legacy CAD data remains a valuable engineering asset. ZW3D WuKong supports more than 25 mainstream CAD formats, enabling seamless data exchange across the equipment manufacturing value chain and helping teams reduce compatibility barriers and collaborate more efficiently. Beyond modeling, modern engineering also requires reliable simulation and validation throughout product development. ZW3D WuKong integrates professional CAE capabilities directly into the design workflow. With built-in structural analysis, engineers can validate complex machinery designs without switching platforms or rebuilding models. Integrated CAD CAE workflows reduce repetitive operations, shorten validation cycles, and improve engineering efficiency. As engineering teams expand, efficient collaboration becomes just as important as design capability. Integrated with ZW Teammate, ZW3D WuKong enables secure engineering data management and lightweight collaboration across teams. Keep design data organized, synchronized, and accessible while reducing version conflicts and communication costs between engineering and manufacturing teams. From concept design to manufacturing collaboration, ZW3D WuKong empowers machinery teams with integrated and efficient engineering workflows. Design faster, collaborate easier, and control engineering costs smarter. ZW3D WuKong. Start your 30-day free trial today at ZWSOFT.com.